All right, we were wrapping it up, man. In Malibu, 6 new screen doors. Now this is our heavy-duty screen door. Seals wheels at the bottom. You can replace those anywhere from Home Depot, Do It Center, Lowe's, Ace Hardware. They all carry those wheels. This is our heavy-duty door. I'm going to open it and show you how easy it slides. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. I get people that ask me, what kind of door do you have? Well, there it is, heavy-duty. I've got another one kind of like it, like this one. No plastic handle. You can see it's all aluminum. I've got a little thinner door. It's not quite as wide. Same handle setup. Not exactly the same wheels. Also good. But if you're looking for something to last, I would highly suggest this door. It's a beautiful thing. May have mentioned that before. But we're closing out now here in Malibu. Let's just take a quick peek, shall we? Right down there, the coast. Look at that. Man, it don't get any better, does it? Building screens with that kind of view. Things can't get any better. Hope you guys are having a great day. Affordable window screen from Malibu out.